Hello fellow model collectors, it's your host Ray. So today's video is a first impressions video on the Gemini Jet's 1/400 scale Interjet Airbus A321NEO. As you can tell, this thing is fresh in the box, and I can't show you the top part because it's got my personal information on it. So yeah, and I definitely don't want that leaked. So without further ado, let's begin. And I actually have a knife on me this time, so yeah, let's cut this thing open. As you guys know, I've been starting my Gemini Jets collection again because I did try it a long time ago, just I didn't know what I was doing, and this time I somewhat know what I'm doing, but there's still a few elements that I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah. Let's see, now how am I supposed to get rid of the, let's see, I already have an airport mat that I'm making. It's a custom-made airport mat made by me just out of construction paper. It's going to take a while to make, obviously, because, like, if it's a custom airport mat, there's a lot of small details and buildings and jetways I need to get, so that's going to for sure take a while. Let's open the top. Alright. It's open. Let's get the packaging. And yes, here it is. Here is the model. Man, I'm excited. This is my first A321NEO, and just like first Airbus, somewhat new airplane, because this one's somewhat new, I guess. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. I really like the way that they just put the plane here. I like the look of that. It has the Interjet colors, which is awesome. I actually got the privilege of flying on Interjet a little over 2 years ago. I flew on an Airbus A321NEO. I'm not sure if it was this exact one with the tail registration and everything. And then I also flew on a standard Airbus A320, just normal, not sharklets, but just the other type of winglet things. And the wingtip fences, that's what they're called, and a CFM56 engines, so it was pretty nice. So it's a 1/400 scale die-cast model, ton of other garbage there. Adult collectible model, yes, you already get the warning there, and let's look at the back. As real as it gets. Oh, and you guys can't even see the top here. There's that. Overall, awesome box art, so let's open it. Wow, so this is what you get for the airplane. Holy crap. I always get excited for this. So let's look at the inside of the box here. Well, the top of the box here. So up here it says Airbus A321NEO. And if you want to, pause the video and read all of this because it's cool information. But I'm just going to go ahead with the review. So let's move the camera down again. Let's open the plane. Okay, so let's be really gentle with this because I know Gemini Jet's quality control has been somewhat suffering. I am not wrong. It has suffered quite a bit. There's the Wi-Fi, I don't know what this, Wi-Fi dome right there. It came off of the airplane. Oh god, I'm scared. Okay, so let's actually open this. I want to be kind of careful about this because I don't know if the model is actually broken. So let's see the deal with this. There's this plastic covering. Okay, so here's the Wi-Fi dome. If I can grab it with my finger. Here, let's actually remove the airplane. Holy cow, this thing's heavy. What can I expect? It's die-cast metal, but yes, there's the dome. That's kind of messed up, like how they just... It's not on the airplane. Alright, so now let's review the airplane. I'm going to leave the Wi-Fi dome off, probably, so I don't mess up the actual airplane itself. And it'd be just fine if I centered the shot. So let's see. This is the airplane. Standard Airbus A321NEO looks pretty good. Why can't I put this thing in the center? There we go. I don't notice anything too fishy about it, just, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Wings seem sturdy. I'm just checking to make sure nothing else is broken. Here's the bottom of the landing gear. Landing gear is a little bit twisted. Let's see. And it said on the box, as real as it gets and superior quality. I'm starting to question that superior quality. I've gotten good quality from the past two models that I've obtained, that I just got, but this one, I'm kind of questioning it. Still, nothing's off the table for sure. So let's talk about the features. The wheels do roll. Both of them roll somewhat. This one rolls kind of like not freely. This side, oh god, this side's kind of loose. Well, it's kind of tight. This one's loose, just fine. Front wheel, also just fine. Overall, pretty nice, just by the look of it. Now let's get into the smaller details. So, yeah, you can have a look here. I don't notice any issues with the paint or anything, so that's pretty good. There's definitely a little paint scratch or something. Let me use the tip of the knife to point at it. Something right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll take a closer look in a second. Let's see here. The wing, the sharklets looks pretty badass. Let's see, top of the wings. Let's see. Overall, quite a bit of detail. Oh, and there's also a little paint, something with the paint there. There's a few inconsistencies here and there, but I don't notice anything too major. All back here. Alright, now I just noticed something too. There's a little bit of discoloration right here. So, it's not good. Let's see, look at the other side. So there's that. There's a few, I believe those are paint scratches. Yes, a few scratches here and there. Yeah, superior quality, highly collectible. I'm starting to doubt that now. Alright, this isn't intended to be a hate video. This is just a very first impression. And overall, it's okay. It's not the best, not the worst. Here's the bottom of the model. The details are pretty good. It's just paint scratches and inconsistencies. But it's no biggie. Let's see. So, look inside the engines. Overall, looks okay. The spinners look a little bit big, but I'm tempted to paint the fans themselves just a black color, because why not? Alright, I'm going to pause the video and do a close self-inspection of my own. Alright, so other than the blemishes I already pointed out, I didn't find anything else, just a few, like just a bit of dust, but that's not an issue. I can just remove it. That's it for this video. Overall, it's a pretty good airplane, honestly. It's nice. It's an A321, so it's pretty cool. Details are captured very well, just a few paint scratches. And, of course, the missing Wi-Fi dome, which is kind of just messed up, but guess I'll have to live with it. Overall, it's a good model. I don't notice anything bad about it. It's alright. I wouldn't blow more than $40 over it, but yeah. If you want to buy it, you can, but I don't exactly recommend buying it. If you can find it from Aero Classics or any other, like, model company, I believe you might get better quality, but don't quote me on that. That's it for this video. Feel free to ask any questions, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on my Gemini Jets Airport and other things, and I'll see you guys later.